Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this eye look that I've created using the brand new Revolution Pearl Pigments. Now, I don't know about you, I am so excited for this video. Revolution recently launched and released a whole new glitter and pigment collection. I will be showing you guys these beautiful Revolution pigments. Now, I did get the glitter eyeshadow palettes as well, but I'm going to do a separate video for that. I only have two eyes, so I can't really do loads of different eye looks in one video, hence why I want to keep it separate. So today I'm going to show you guys the pigments, and then in another video I'll show you guys the glitter palettes, which look absolutely insane, and if they're anything like these pigments then I am going to be blown away. But today I'm going to be showing you these pigments. We have a gold shade, which is called Sass Queen, silver shade, which is called Sinner, a white pearl shade, which is called Saint, and the last shade that I've got is like a rose gold kind of pinky shade, which is called Vindictive. And I used these shades to create this eye look, so stay tuned if you want to see how I created this eye look. I may have even used a pigment as highlighter. Can you see that highlight? If you want to see what I use, then keep on watching. Before you go anywhere, I want you to stop what you're doing. Drop everything. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. That button right there that says subscribe, I think you should click it. Seriously, click it. It's free. Free subscriptions for makeup. Oh my gosh. Do it. Hey guys, so to get straight into this video, as I'm excited to use these pigments, like I can't wait. I need to do the mattes first, I can't just go straight over the pigment. I am going to use the Revolution and Tammi eyeshadow palette. I have used previously before, I think I use this all the time, but I'm going to go in with this. First shade I'm going to go in with is called Isle of Spice. I'm just going to not rush this part, but I'm just going to speed up this part so that we can get into the pigments, but also if you want to follow along with this eye look then you can as well. Next I'm going to go in with Coraline. Next I'm going to go in with the shade which is Adventure. Okay, I have also just went in with Tropical, just on the outer edges, just to brighten up slightly. Want it to be popping. Okay, so we got 4 pigments. We got Sass Queen, Sinner, Vindictive, and Saint. So I know that I want Saint to go in my inner corner. So let's put that one down for a sec. We got this beautiful rose gold type shade, which is Vindictive, which I'm loving. And then we got the gold and the silver as well, which again I'm loving. Okay, I've got Vindictive on my finger right now, and I'm just wanting to test this first. Ooh. As much as I like that, I feel like it's blending in too much with the shadows that I've just put on. I want something that's going to stand out. I'm going to go gold. So I'm going in with the shade Sass Queen. Okay, so it's this gold shade here. It looks beautiful. I'm loving it already. It's not like completely gold. I think that's why I like it a bit more. It's more of like a bronze gold, which is really nice. Sometimes bright golds are just a little bit too much. So this one is quite nice and subtle. Okay, I'm just taking a little bit on my brush there. Let's see how this goes on. Oh my goodness! I'm loving this shade already. Wow. Look how much that stands out! Guys, that literally looks beautiful. What? That's not wet either. I'm going to put a little bit on this side because I think I put too much. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. And I haven't even concealed. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this eye look already. I'm literally in love. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna go back in with Adventure, I think it was, and just blend these edges just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Revolution. Every time I try a Revolution product, you know how impressed I am every single time. Every single time I do try a product, I'm like, Revolution, you did it again. Revolution, you keep doing it. What is up with this? I am loving this gold. This is like the perfect gold. Not too bright, quite subtle, but also quite glam at the same time as well. I'm in love. Don't want to put this Saint shade in my inner corner yet because I need to do the rest of my makeup. So, stay tuned because I am going to use that Saint shade as well. Let's see how popping we can get the inner corners. But first, I'm going to go away, do my face, come back, and then we will do the inner corners with this pigment as well. I might even try it as a highlight. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back and almost done. So, next, I'm going to go in with the Saint Pigment. I'm going to do this in the inners. I might even highlight. Let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like here. Look how beautiful it is. It's like a pearl white colour. It literally looks beautiful. Already, I'm loving it. Okay, going in with my brush. Ready. That was one dab and I took so much off. Oh my goodness, okay. Let's blend that out. Oh my gosh, guys. Might have went a little bit crazy with that one. Look how pigmented that is. I don't even care how crazy that looks because I love it. The pigment, everything is just va-va-voom. Now I'm going to highlight with a shade. I feel like this is going to go horribly wrong, but yeah, this is going to go wrong. Oh girl. You know what? I actually quite like that as a highlighter. I think I just love the fact that it's so bold and like out there. So guys, overall, we got the finishing look. I am loving these pigments. Loving these pigments. I feel like I want to use these on a daily basis. Like, seriously. Okay guys, so I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed. Once again, Revolution has killed it. Once again, I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm loving it. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of these pigments. Let me know if you like them, if you like the eye look that I created, and also let me know as well. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed this eye look that I have created. So, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.